Hello programmers, in this video we will learn how to use case statement. If you are familiar with some other programming language, case statement is similar to switch statement. Uh, it makes it a lot easier than writing if, elif, and else, like having a long list of if else's. So switch or case statement makes it way a lot easier to code. Looks good, whatever. So let's get started, and we will start with a hash bang, and we'll say bin bash save, and we need echo so that it looks good every time. Copy this and paste it, and of course we will take input from the user. But let me show you a basic case statement. How does it look and what's the blueprint? So case and some word or variable, we will say variable in. So case and in are keywords here, and then you will have some pattern which you are trying to match. Then you will have this closing parentheses. Well, it's a way the interpreter knows that the pattern has ended. And you will have some statement. Let's say we have echo here, and then like you have echo here, and then you will have two semicolons, and you will have like bunch of these. You will say copy, paste, paste. And there is also a way to have a default output. For default output, you will say star, and this, of course, this bracket, and then same thing, echo, and you will have this. And once you are done with everything, you will say esac. Well, esac is just case spelled backward. Real genius, right? Anyways, let's go ahead and test it out. I'll comment this out and keep it here just for our reference. Well, I don't need reference, but it's cool to have it here. Anyways, okay, let's start. So we will take input from the user as we do it every time, and we'll say enter, not enter, enter your favorite color. Well, I went to British school, so favorite, I forgot the U in both the stuff, I think. Yeah, whatever. I'm programmer, I can mess up with spellings. Okay, back to the topic. So we will say case, color in, and then we will say, let's say blue. I like blue. So blue, and then we will have echo, and we will say sky is blue, and period, and we will have two semicolons. And before we move ahead, let's close this out and let's test it out so that we know we are doing it right. Very important. Testing is very important. So blue, sky is blue. Perfect. Let's have some more statements here. We can just type it out. So we'll say yellow, and we can have this again, echo. Well, yeah, sun is yellow, and period. Oh, damn it, every time. Okay, and then we will have let's have a green, and don't forget the parentheses, echo, and leaves are green, and same thing, semicolons. And let's have a default output. So we will say star, parentheses, and wait, what? Let's have the space. Looks clean. And no comment on your choice, and period. This doesn't look good, so let's put it right here. Okay, looks fine. And let's test it out. We will test out all three, and first we will say blue works fine, yellow works fine too, green works fine. And then let's test out a default output. So we'll say pink, and it says no comment on your choice. So that's how you use case statement in your shell script. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comment or complaint or whatever, you can post them in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe my channel for future videos. I'll see you guys next time.